Everything. Sholom, what'd you get?
No.
What is that? Choo-choo train? So can you put the scissors back, please? Thank you. Fix?
Can I have my present?
And Hanukkah. Almost Hanukkah. Because this is not a Hanukkah present. This was a birthday present. Because he's 2. Fix? You need help fixing it? Maybe Yaakov can help you fix it. I think there was something in before. Maybe a big block or 2 triangle blocks.
I know how to.
Yeah? Alright, so Elisha, go ahead.
No!
No? She's just going to help. She's not going to do the whole thing. Oh, good job.
Whatever he wants, he can make his own chain.
Yaakov, take the whole thing out of the box. There you go. Okay. And then you can connect it with this one. Sholom Yosef, you happy with the choo-choo train? Can you say thank you to the Kahodises? Look at me. Sholom. Say thank you. Sholom. Yeah. You're very welcome from the Kahodises. Show him how it works, Yaakov.
What?
Show him how it works. Take it for a ride. Show him, look. Whee. Sholom Yosef, now you want to do it? Go do it. Yaakov, stop. And now let Sholom Yosef do it. Go ahead.
Mommy, I have a great idea. I really want to do this.